Watercress, or Nasturtium officinale, belonging to the family Brassicaceae, has been a staple in herbal medicine and cuisine for centuries. Revered for its peppery flavor and rich nutrient profile, this aquatic plant also boasts a variety of medicinal benefits, making it a valuable addition to any herbal repertoire. Habitat and growth. Watercress thrives in clean, slow-moving water streams, often found across Europe, Asia, and North America. Its preference for shallow water bodies with a gravel or mud base allows it to form dense mats that can be easily spotted during its growing season in the spring. Identification. This perennial plant features small, round, dark green leaves and hollow stems that float atop the water. During its flowering period, watercress produces small white flowers that cluster at the top of the stalks, making it distinguishable from other aquatic plants. Harvesting. To harvest watercress, cut the stems a few inches above the water surface to encourage regrowth. It is crucial to harvest only from clean, unpolluted water sources to avoid contaminants that could be harmful if ingested. Edible uses. All parts of watercress are edible, typically consumed raw in salads, sandwiches, or as a garnish. The leaves and stems can also be cooked, adding a peppery zest to soups and stews. Medicinal uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare professional who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Watercress is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and is used for its therapeutic properties in treating various ailments. Immune boosting. Its high vitamin C content makes it excellent for boosting the immune system. Respiratory health. Traditionally used to treat tuberculosis and expel mucus, watercress can aid in clearing the respiratory tract. Lymphatic system. The plant is known to reduce swelling in lymph nodes, helping to detoxify the body. Neurological benefits. Watercress may alleviate headaches and reduce anxiety due to its calming properties. Oral health. It can soothe mouth sores, reduce gum swelling, and combat bad breath, thanks to its antibacterial qualities. Menopausal relief. Consumed regularly, it may lessen the severity of hot flashes. Skin health. The juice of watercress is beneficial for treating skin conditions like dermatitis, eczema, and other chronic skin diseases due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Joint and kidney health. It is effective in treating gout and preventing kidney stones by facilitating the removal of uric acid from the body. Diuretic properties. Watercress promotes water retention reduction, further supporting kidney health. Warnings. The primary caution with watercress is ensuring it is harvested from clean, uncontaminated water sources. Consuming watercress from polluted areas can lead to the ingestion of harmful bacteria or parasites. Watercress is not only a flavorful herb, but also a potent medicinal plant with a broad spectrum of health benefits. From boosting immunity to treating chronic skin conditions, watercress offers therapeutic qualities as vibrant as its taste. However, always remember the importance of harvesting from safe, clean water to fully enjoy its benefits.